I absolutely love landscape photography.
Landscape photography for me is not just about an image. It's about searching, discovery, exploring new locations, and feeding my curiosity.
I'm Sunil Vandari. I'm 23-year-old hobbyist landscape photographer. Nature inspires me. It feeds my creative thinking, and it's a place where I can get lost for hours and days. Landscape photography for me is not just about an image, it's about getting connected with the nature. It's a feeling. When I'm out there, I get into this creative bubble where I block everything and get lost into the landscape itself. When I see something that ignites the desire to capture its beauty, my vision is formed in my heart and in my mind. That vision energizes me to scout, explore and research, whether by walking, hiking or driving to that location, even multiple times. And when I finally get there and meet the essence in a perfect lighting condition and atmosphere, I get a sense of accomplishment. It's peaceful. It fulfills my destiny to capture and freeze the best visual representation of nature at that particular time and atmosphere. I get into this moment where as I'm shooting, I'm essentially escaping reality, although at the same time I'm trying to capture a piece of reality. When I look at my images, they take me back in time, in breeze or stormy conditions, snow or heat of the summer, crashing waves of the sea, or pleasant sound of a waterfall. I still feel the wind on my jacket. I hear birds chirping or the rocks cracking when I look at my images. I dream of these moments every day. When I'm out there with my camera, I listen, I look, and I feel the landscape.